What's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? I'm here in Puerto Rico at the most expensive hotel in the city, in Dorado Beach. And the reason why I'm making this video is because just 6 years ago, I was getting paid $11 an hour, and now I'm able to spend $5,000 a night to stay in the nicest hotels wherever I go. And I want to break down in 3 steps what it took for me to go from getting paid basically minimum wage at an Amazon warehouse to being able to travel to places like Puerto Rico, stay in spots like this. And I've been financially free for the past couple of years, retired my mom, retired my dad. I've bought multifamily real estate. Like I'm pretty much good as far as when it comes to money, right? And there are 3 things that I can attribute to what got me from having to work my ass off for money to now money kind of just comes to me. And number 1 is I changed my environment. And what do I mean by change my environment? The same friends that I had in high school aren't the same friends that I had now. And that's not to say I have anything against with my high school friends, but odds are you were friends with people in high school because they were in the same math class as you. They were in the same social studies class as you. It's not because you actually aligned with their core values and with their drive and their ambition, right? Now all of my friends align with my core values. They have the same drive as me. They have the same relentlessness as me, and they're all in business as well. So you know the saying, right? You're the average of the 5 people closest to you. That saying cannot be more true. So evaluate yourself right now. Write down the 5 people closest to you, the 5 people that you talk to the most. Are those people that are living a life that you want to live? Are those people that motivate you and encourage you? Are those people that you would look up to as a role model? Are those people that have bank accounts similar to the ones that you want to have? If not, you need to change your circle. So number 1 is change your environment, change your circle. If you're the smartest person in your circle, you're not in a circle, you're in a cage. Now, number 2 is you need to learn a high income skill. Now guys, there's so much opportunity out there. I mean, it's 2024, there's a million ways to make money, but you need to focus, okay? You can't just be trying to learn everything. And I used to be stuck in that same position, trying to learn Airbnb, trying to learn stocks, trying to learn crypto, trying to learn drop shipping, trying to learn Amazon. And when you try to learn all these things at the same time, you're not gonna get anywhere. And when you're trying to learn from everyone, you're not gonna get anywhere either, because everyone has their own strategy. Everyone has their own way of doing things. So you need to pick one thing. I encourage you to read the book, The One Thing by Gary Keller, which is the founder of Keller Williams Realty, which is one of the biggest real estate companies out there. But focus on mastering one thing. You know, Bruce Lee once said, he doesn't fear the man that knows 1,000 kicks. He fears the man that has kicked that same kick 1,000 times. And for me, the reason why I've been able to get to the level that I'm at is because I chose e-commerce as my one thing. For the past 6 years, all I've been doing is learning the art of selling products online, learning the art of marketing and selling products online, right? And that's all I've done. I haven't really ventured off into anything else other than real estate, because that's kind of like my tax haven, so I don't have to pay too much in taxes. I buy buildings. But other than that, it's been e-commerce these past 6 years, guys. So pick that one thing for you. If you don't know what your one thing is yet, focus on figuring what, like putting time aside to figure out what it is. And I encourage you to look into e-commerce too, because I mean, e-commerce, you can start with whatever amount of capital. You don't need a lot of money to start. And I have a lot of videos here on YouTube for free that can teach you how to get started. Now, number 3, and this might be the most important secret of this whole video, is stop caring what people think. Keep in mind, I'm very introverted. If you knew me in middle school, if you knew me in high school, you're like, damn, that kid is very shy. But now I'm here on YouTube, over 100,000 subscribers, over 600,000 followers on IG. And I'm not saying all this to brag, over 200K on TikTok, like probably over 1 million followers across all my social media platforms. And again, I'm not saying this to brag, but I'm saying this to show you that I had to get out of my comfort zone to get to the level that I'm now at. I had to get over the fact of, oh, what are my friends gonna think of me once they start seeing me post videos, talking about money, talking about e-commerce, all this. Like, you have to get over that. Stop caring about what other people think. And a lot of people say they don't care about what other people think, but their actions show otherwise. A lot of people don't get into business because they're too scared about what their friends are gonna say if they fail. They're scared about what their friends are gonna say when they ask them, hey, how much money are you making with your business, and you're not making any money yet. Stop caring about what people think. Like, it's your goals, not theirs. So why should anyone's opinion affect what you want to do with your life and with your business and with your money, right? And I'm gonna add this to secret number 3, because this is important as well. Only take advice from people that are in the position that you want to be in. And yes, that means that you shouldn't be taking advice from your mom or dad if they're not in the position that you want to be in, right? So if they're not making the money that you want to make, you shouldn't be taking financial advice from your parents. Doesn't matter if they're your parents. Yeah, they love you, but they don't know what's best for you. Just because they love you does not mean that they know what's best for you, right? So that's all I have for this video. I just wanted to get straight to it. I'm about to enjoy the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful hotel here in Dorado Beach, Puerto Rico. And yeah, if you like this video, please like it, because it helps the YouTube channel a lot. And I'm just out here trying to give value. I'm trying to give as much value as I can. If you have any questions, drop them down below in the comments. You want to hear me talk about anything else? Yeah, let me know in the comments down below. And if you are watching this and you do want to learn how I'm able to basically travel the world, how I've been doing this for the past couple of years, if you go to the link in the description, I do a free training every single Sunday. Again, it's completely free. I try to give out as much value as possible. I go as long as possible too. You know, I stay there, I answer questions. I really just try to help as many people as possible, because it helps me grow my brand selfishly, but it also, you know, I've seen how many lives I've been able to impact from these trainings alone, such as like Terrell. He actually made over 6 figures in 11 months from attending that same exact training that I'm talking about, that's in the link in the description. And Mark right here actually made over $1 million with that same information. So again, I hope you liked the video. If you want to learn how you can sell products online, click the link in the description, register for that training on Sunday, and I'll see you there. Peace.